We're solving problem 19 from 2019 FE equals MA exam B. A physical pendulum consists of a mass on one end of a massless rigid rod that can pivot about the opposite end. Assuming the oscillations have an amplitude of 90 degrees, which of the following graphs best shows the total acceleration of the mass as a function of the angular position theta measured between the pendulum and the vertical direction? So take A as an example graph of the x and y axes. The x-axis shows your angular position theta in degrees, and your y-axis shows your magnitude of acceleration. For this problem, the first step is to knock out the limiting cases. Start with theta is equal to pi over 2. Then at this time, t equals 0. This is the initial point. And then we have a acceleration is equal to gravity at this point. Now, when theta, our degree angle, is 0, which means it's at the mass is at the bottom of the pendulum, well then we can say that 1/2 mv squared is mgr. Solving for velocity at this moment, velocity is equal to the square root of 2gr because the m's cancel out. Now, to find the total acceleration can be written as a sub c, centripetal acceleration, and this is going to be v squared over r. V squared is 2gr, and divide that by r is simply 2g. So we see that at 0, it's 2 times g, which is 10 about. In this contest, you want them to round it, and at theta is pi over 2, it goes down to g. So the only graph fitting this description is graph A. Answer choice A is our answer for this problem, and we are done.